This is not just a car moving down the road. This is history, breathing again. The Ferrari F40 was never meant to be quiet, but after years of silence, even its motion feels emotional. Built in 1989 as the final car personally approved by Enzo Ferrari, the F40 was raw, mechanical, and uncompromising. No driver aids, no comfort distractions, just speed, sound, and purpose. When we first found this Ferrari F40, it was forgotten, dust-covered, worn, parked away from time. Every scratch told a story of distance from the road it once ruled. Restoration is not about erasing the past, it's about respecting it. Every panel cleaned carefully, every component rebuilt with patience, every detail restored to honor what this car was always meant to be. Now, as it rolls forward again, you can see the reflection of the sky across its body. You can feel the balance in its movement. You can sense the power waiting beneath the surface. This drive is not about speed, it's about return. The return of sound, the return of motion, the return of a legend. The Ferrari F40 doesn't chase attention, it commands respect, simply by existing. And as the road stretches ahead, this car reminds us why we restore. Not to make something new, but to let something iconic live again.